I want to share 5 things that I wish I knew before I upgraded to the microswiss NG Revo. Number 1, you're still using your stock fan, so your cooling's not going to be excellent. Number 2, you have to change your E-steps. Microswiss provides a G-code file that will do it through your SD card. Do not try to do it manually. You can burn out that knob. The next issue that a lot of people have is their motor runs backwards, their extruder motor. And so people will say to switch your wires, and I think a more elegant option is to just change it in your firmware. So you can invert your stepper motors here. You also can change your default E-steps in your firmware. And the very last thing that I had a real issue with was changing my max Z probe distance. So it was too low, and so no matter what I do, the nozzle would just be floating, no matter what I changed my Z probe offset to. But wait, there's one more thing. So if you do change your E-steps, that 400 is just an estimation. So you're gonna want to do a calibration, and you're gonna want to run 100 millimeters of filament through your hot extruder and calculate the difference between 100, and then you can use that difference through a calculator to fully adjust your E-steps and get it dialed in perfect. And then from there you can adjust your filament flow. I didn't change it from the 400, and I was having to change my filament flow by like 0.18 over, which wasn't good. And once I got my E-steps in, it's been great. So hopefully this helps somebody. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them in the comments, and I'm happy to help. And thank you for watching.